Good afternoon, students. Myself Pragnesh Polara from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus, Junagadh. Today we are going to discuss some important examples and techniques of circles. In last time we have already discussed about the equations of circles, like standard equation of circle, general equation of circles, and using the standard equation and general equation, how can we find the radius of the circle and center of the circle. Today our idea is to discuss about the topics of diametric form of the circle, and then we will discuss about the tangent and normal equation for the given circle at the point x1 y1. So today our idea is to discuss some topics like diametric form of a circle, and then we will discuss about the equation of tangent and normal for the circle. And there is two types of equation of tangent and normal, that is for the standard equation, and the second form is for the general equation. So let us look at first the diametric form of a circle. Let us write down here the diametric form of the circle. Okay, we know that the diametric form of the circle, that is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0, right? We have 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given, which are the end points of diameter, right? Here end points are x1 y1 and x2 y2, right? If the end points of the diameter are x1 y1 and x2 y2, then the equation of the circle is given by x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Here x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the endpoints of diameter. That's why this form of circle is called diametric form of the circle. Let us look at the example, which kind of example are asked from this topic. So let us look at one example related to diametric form, right? So let us look at the example. The question is, find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle having end points of its diameter as a15 and b7 minus 2. Okay, our question is find the equation of the circle having end points of diameters a15 and b7 minus 2. So here we have two end points, a x1 y1 is equal to a15, this is the x1 y1, and second one is b x2 y2, that is b7 minus 2, right? And we need to find the equation of the circle which have the end points of diameter as a and b. So અહીંયા આપણે એવા સર્કલનું ઇક્વેશન મેળવવા જઈએ છીએ કે જેના એન્ડ પોઈન્ટ્સ a15 અને b7 minus 2 કે જેના ડાયામીટરના એન્ડિંગ પોઈન્ટ્સ છે. તો જેનું આપણે સર્કલનું ઇક્વેશન આપણે હમણાં જ જોયું કે જે ડાયામીટરના એન્ડ પોઈન્ટ્સ ax1 y1 અને bx2 y2 હોય તેનું ઇક્વેશન થશે x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2, that is equal to 0. And we have x1 that is equal to 1, so we will get x minus 1 into x minus x2, that is x minus 7, x2 is equal to 7, plus y minus y1, y1 is equal to 5, so y minus 5 into y minus y2, y2 that is equal to minus 2, so minus minus plus 2, that is y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so by simplifying this equation we will get the equation of the circle which have the endpoints a and b, right? So now simplifying the form, we will get here x square minus 8x plus 7 from here, right? This is minus 7 minus 1, that is minus 8, and this is plus 7, plus y square minus 3y minus 10, that is equal to, so by simplifying these two we will get x square minus 8x plus 7 and y square minus 3y minus 10, that is equal to 0. So after all we will get here the equation of the circle in the general form, x square plus y square minus 8x minus 3y and minus 3, this is minus 10 plus 7, that is equal to minus 3, that is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle which have the end points of diameter a 1 5 and b 7 minus 2. So in this way we can find the equation of the circle. So this is the in this way we can find the equation of circle if we have given the endpoints of diameter, right? Let us look at one more example related to this topic. The next question is the line the given line is 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. The line 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 is intersecting the axes at a and b. This is intersecting the axes at a and b. Okay, then find the equation of circle having diameter ab. Okay, so first of all here we have not given the coordinates of a and b, we have just given that this line intersecting the axis x-axis at the point a and y-axis at the point b. Okay, so suppose that the coordinates of the point a, because this line is intersecting the x-axis at a, so suppose that the coordinates of the point a, that is small a0, because y coordinate is 0 because this point is on x-axis, and at the point b, that is 0 b at the y-axis, right? So for a0, right? So we will put x is equal to a in this equation of line, because this line intersecting the x-axis at this point, so this point solves the equation of this line. So here x is equal to a and y is equal to 0, so we will get from this equation, so number 1 equation implies that 3a plus 4 into 0, that is equal to 0, plus 12 is equal to 0. So after simplifying this one we will get a is equal to minus 4. So a is equal to minus 4. In the same way, the line this line intersecting the y-axis at the point 0b, so if we put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to b, so in the same way we can find the coordinates of the point b, right? So let us put the value x is equal to 0 and y is equal to b. So number 1 implies, now we will put b0b, right? So x is equal to 0, So this equation will be 3 into 0 plus 4 into b plus 12 is equal to 0. So after simplifying, I will get b is equal to minus 3, right? So the coordinates of implies a0, that is equal to a is equal to minus 4, so minus 4 0, and b, that is equal to 0b, that is b is 0 minus 3. Okay, so now our idea is to find the equation of the circle having end points or having diameter line segment AB. That means A and B are end points of the diameter. So now we have the coordinates of A and B, so we can easily find the equation of the circle having the diameter AB. Okay, so the equation of circle having diameter AB is, okay, that is given by, as we have discussed in last example, that is given by x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 is equal to 0, right? So we have 2 points, first one, that is x1 y1, so x1 is equal to minus 4 and y1 is equal to 0. In the same way, x2 y2 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to minus 3. So now substituting the values of x1 y1 x2 y2, I will get x1, that is equal to minus 4, so x plus 4, and x2 is equal to 0, so this one is equal to x minus 0 plus y minus y1, that is x1 y1 is equal to 0, and y minus y2, that is y plus 3 is equal to 0, because y2, that is equal to minus 3, so there is minus plus 3. So by simplifying this one, I will get x into x plus 4 plus y into y plus 3 is equal to 0. So by giving the more simplification, I will get x square plus 4x plus y square plus 3y, that is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. This is the equation of the required circle which have the diameter is line segment AB, where A and B are intersecting point on the axis by the line given, this one, right? This is line 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0, having the intercepts A and B on x-axis and y-axis respectively, and so we can find easily the coordinates of A and B, and then by A and B are the endpoints of the diameter, so we can use this format of diametric form of the circle by putting the values of x1 y1 x2 and y2. We can find the equation of circle having the diameter line segment AB, right? So this is the required equation of the circle. So in this way we can use the diametric form of the circle. So that's it for the diametric form. Now let us quickly move to our main and very important topic of finding tangent plane, equation of tangent plane and normal line to the circle. If we look at the PPT here, so equation of tangent and normal at the point x1 y1 for the standard circle. So here we will discuss the equation of tangent plane and normal line for the two kinds of circles. First one is for the standard circle, and then we will discuss the equation of tangent and normal for the general equation of the circle. So if we look at the equation of tangent and normal at the point x1 y1 for the standard circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the equation of standard circle which have the center 0 0 and the radius r, and that is given by x1 plus y1 is equal to r square, where x1 and y1 is the point at which we are going to find the equation of tangent and normal, right? And the equation of normal, that is x upon x1 is equal to y upon y1. So every students, please note down the equation of the tangent and normal for the standard circle, which is given by x square plus y square is equal to r square, and the equation of tangent is x1 plus y1 is equal to r square, and the equation of normal, that is x upon x1 is equal to y upon y1, right? This is the equation of tangent and normal for the standard circle. But as we all know that normally the equation of circle is normally given in the general form, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And if the equation is given in that general form, then also we need to find the equation of tangent and normal for that kind of given format. So let us discuss the equation of tangent and normal for the general equation, that is the equation of tangent and normal at the point x1 y1 for the general circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is given by x1 plus y1 plus g x plus x1 plus f y plus y1 plus c, that is equal to 0. And the equation of normal, that is x minus x1 upon x1 plus c is equal to y minus y1 upon y1 plus f. So note again, this is the equation of tangent and normal for the general equation. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to find the value of g and f